Hey guys, just in case you missed it, on my Saturday morning comics, I had mentioned that I want to do a Q&A for the last Savage Island. So make sure you drop any questions you have about my Brass Eagle Adventure team, and I'll answer them in that last video. Thanks. Now let's get on with the video.
In addition to collecting G.I. Joes, I also collect knives. And this is one of my favorites. It has a built-in flashlight and a bunch of other features. But we're not going to talk about the knife. We're going to talk about this feature that is really cool. It's a very small flashlight, and it goes into the knife, and you twist it, and it turns on, and it's pretty bright. And I found one of these at a yard sale in a like a scrap bin, and I knew what it was when I picked it up. I definitely needed to hang on to it and use it for something. It has a magnetic base, which is cool, because it could stick to metal things. This one fits so much better in his hand. It's not as large as the other flashlight, and it's just as bright too. I like it. It works pretty good. I like these little things that just bring a little bit more realism to my photo stories and stuff. This is my other flashlight that I've been using. You can get these at like hardware stores, and they're pretty cool, but they don't fit very well in all the action figures' hands. So it's nice to find a real working flashlight that'll fit in his hand. These take some really tiny batteries, and so I just replaced the one that I found in that scrap bin. Just keep an eye out for things like this. You never know what you're going to find, and something like this always comes in handy, adding another piece of equipment to your G.I. Joe's loadout. And it also fits in his flashlight holster very well, which is cool. I'll probably end up making a wrist strap or something to go along with it. Well, that's all I have for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like button, subscribe if you're not already, and don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. I'll see you in the next video.